Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to see blocked users on Snapchat. First, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. Go to the settings of Snapchat. Now scroll down and look for the blocked option and tap on it. And here, you will see the list of blocked users. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to see blocked users on Snapchat. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.